It is a beautiful day here in Bangkok. I'm actually standing outside of the largest 7-Eleven here in Bangkok. So I'm really excited to show you guys what they have in the 7-Eleven here. Also, I'm going to try some of my favorite menu items as well, like the toastie. So I'm really excited to show you guys 7-Eleven here in Asoke. Let's go inside.
And the one who always says that you gotta take the chance you get, 'cause
Here we are inside the 7-Eleven, and yeah, they have all the bakeries, really nice, and also they have that frozen section, the individual Thai dinners. You know what, I've seen these Euro cakes around all over Thailand, so I haven't had a chance to try these, so let's go ahead and try this first. We have just a custard cake. They also have pandan, melon, Hokkaido milk, marble, and strawberry. And then we have some dried fruits and candies. This area has the salads, so we have a lot of salads and fresh vegetables here. Oh, look at that, guys. They even have these like little spring rolls. Also, we have a lot of the onigiris. Also, we got the little kimbap rolls. And let's try one of these TV dinner type of items that are like Thai flavor. That looks like pad khao, huh? With chicken. That's looks like curry. This looks like another curry. All right, let's try. I haven't tried the 7-Eleven pad khao, so let's give this a try. Also, you have little sandwiches, egg noodles with pork, wontons. Oh, look at that! You have poached egg. Should we try poached egg? Yeah, let's try poached egg. Oh, look at that, guys! They also have like a burrito, ham and cheese. Also, you have some shumai, and here it is. This is the ramen self-heating machine. So we're gonna try this. And then we have sausages and the famous sandwiches, toasties. And you know what? They have a lot of different toasties. We have some of the like triple cheese up here. We have some other ones. It's a combination, like cheese and spinach. We have the croissant ones here. Also, we have the called Danish sandwiches here. This is the first time I've ever seen this before. I've never seen Danish ones. Then we have the traditional toasties down here. They even have an egg tart sandwich. All right, let's catch some toasties. I want to try this triple cheese with spinach. This looks really good. Also, we're gonna go for the traditional ham and cheese as well. And then finally, let's try one of these new Danish ones. Let's go with the carbonara Danish. That's new. Then down here, they have, oh, here you go, guys. I love these rice burgers. This one has a pork patty inside. This is really popular. You got the dumplings. And also you have some tteokbokki, fried chicken. Over here we have like a lot of mini cakes. So let's pick up some dessert while we're here. And oh, you know what? They have this one brownie thing that has brownie dips. I want to try this. Look at all these little cakes. Really cute cakes. And let's see here. What is this? This is butter bun. And this is also a popular thing right now. Butter bun. Let's try this. They also have macaroons. Whoa, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a fancy chocolate cake. Wow, look at that. That looks really fancy. That's 139 bahts. Also, you have the standard yogurt drinks and milk. All right, and here is the ramen section. And we want to try the self-heating ramen station, so let's go ahead and pick up Shin Ramen. Here we go. Oh, this one's really popular, J5. She has some tom yum flavored Shin Ramen. That's something I've never tried before. We'll try this one. It's like, she also has some other, it's like a stir fry. Bokumyeon. That's a big selection of ramen to choose from. I'm a big fan of this brand. I get this quite often. But since we're doing self-heating ramen, I want to show you guys the self-heating ramen first. All right, guys, this is it. Do you think this is enough? All right, let's go upstairs and try some of this food. Oh, so we're gonna order the berry. We're gonna order the berry drink. Or this one. Oh, we're gonna order this one. Okay, we'll get the mixed berry smoothie. All right, we are here at the largest 7-Eleven here in Bangkok, Asoke. And I got all my favorite foods here. I got toasties to start with. And we'll make this ramen later when we make it fresh from the self-heating ramen station. So I'm really excited to try that as well. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the sandwiches first because they're hot and ready to go. And let's go ahead and start with the triple cheese spinach sandwich. And this one looks really good. Look at this, guys. Okay, let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys what it looks like inside. Look at that, guys. There it is. That looks really good. The spinach looks really good, and the cheese looks really good. Look at that. And this bread is a little different. It looks like it has cheese on top of it. So I bet you they melted cheese on top of this, so I call it triple cheese. But that spinach and cheese combination, I love that they put the cheese on top. And this is one of those that I can recommend to anybody that likes spinach. This is one you have to try, definitely. All right, moving on. We're gonna try the one that's the Danish style. This is carbonara. So let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. And look at this pastry. Looks like a croissant pastry to me, but they call it Danish. And you have the carbonara ingredients in there. This pastry looks really flaky. It looks really buttery. Not bad. When in carbonara, it has more of the bacon, but this is just ham in here, so very mild flavor. But I like the outer shell. The Danish, really creamy, soft, a little bit sweet, but well, this was good though too. Thumbs up on that one. All right, and of course we have to get a traditional ham and cheese, pretty much the favorite of a lot of people. So let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and open this up so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. There it is. And if you've had toasties before, a ham and cheese one, you know it's a thin slice of ham as well as the cheese in there. This is this classic toastie. Seriously, this is so good. Simple, basic flavors, but wow, ham and cheese one is such a good one. Seriously, when coming to Bangkok, try the ham and cheese toastie. It's a great way to start with your toastie adventure. Also, guys, I have my actual 7-Eleven episode featured in one of the Wall Street Journal reports showing 7-Eleven products coming to the United States. So I was thinking when I had that video come up, I thought, you know what? I have onigiri all over Southeast Asia in different 7-Elevens. So why don't they have like toasties available also in different parts of Southeast Asia 7-Elevens? That'd be also, I think, a great addition because toasties are like onigiri, right? It's just a good product that I think everyone can enjoy. What do you guys think? The yogurt smoothie. It actually has berries on top. Oh, this looks really good. Oh, this is really good. Really refreshing, cold. And oh man, I love yogurt smoothies. Next, we're gonna try the rice burger. And this is something I also get at 7-Elevens often. So, it's a pork patty, minced pork patty, and it's pinched between two sticky rice patties. So it's just basic. There's no condiments. It's just the pork patty with the sticky rice. And it kind of comes in this little plastic little container so you can hold the rice burger together. Let's give it a bite. Seriously. I think if you guys see, there's pork that's on a skewer on the streets. It's called mu ping. It's like minced pork that's on a skewer, it's flavored, right? And they grill it up and you can buy it for really cheap, right? On top of that, they serve like a little bag of sticky rice with it. So if you think of it that way, all you're doing is basically having that little skewer, take a bite of that and take a bite of your sticky rice together. Same concept. Right, here it is, guys, J5 ramen. And actually it's a tom yum version of J5. And actually this lady is really popular on a Netflix series a long time ago, Asian street food Netflix series. And so she's getting a lot of popularity. So I think her celebrity status has gotten her onto the Shin Ramen as a product. So that's awesome. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and make some ramen. But in the meantime, it's a perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. So it's very simple. They basically show you, you choose your noodle and then you pick up your container and then you scan it, which we have here. We purchased the container here, scan it, and then cook time, put down here, and 3:30, start. There it is. And the water goes in. And it looks like it counts down. It's like 3.5 minutes for this to cook through. Okay, the Shin Ramen is done, and wow, it smells really good, and it's really hot. So I'm gonna try some of the soup first. The soup looks really rich. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty good. I have that hint of the lemongrass and galangal from the tom yum flavor, and the heat also from the Shin Ramen flavor. So it's actually a good combination. Oh, yeah, that's actually good. I can tell it is more of a Thai flavor. All right, let's try some of this noodles. Oh, this is really hot. Oh yeah, love Shin Ramen. The ramen noodles are kind of have that bouncy texture. Also, if you had like a blind taste test and tried this, you'd know it's a Thai flavor. But it has the heat of the Shin Ramen. I always love it also when they have this self-heating ramen stations. We had the episodes where they did the self-heating ramen station convenience store in Korea, which is a lot of fun. And so the self-heating ramen station here, they have instructions to go ahead and tell you what to do. But you have to purchase one of these bowls to use the station, right? And I believe, yeah, and the barcode right here, you scan the barcode, and it basically recognizes the station to work, and basically 3.5 minutes, you get ramen. And also we purchased some poached eggs. So I'm gonna put one of these poached eggs in with the ramen. There we go, guys. Oh, here we go. This is so much fun. Look at that, guys. I love the gooiness of poached egg. That is so cool. There you go. And this is how you have creamy ramen right here. All right, we'll try some of this egg with the ramen. Yes, do that. Oh my gosh. And this 7-Eleven location actually has a cafe on top, so you can have a separate area to also not only dine but also order some food and beverages. I'm really big fan of this. It's really large, has a lot of places for you to eat and enjoy. We're also near SWU, which is a popular university here. So a lot of people from the university, college students come by, have a lunch or snack, hang out with their friends, and also kind of having a great area to kind of just have a social environment for them to hang out. So have something spicy to eat, yogurt smoothie. Did you know that Thailand has the second largest amount of 7-Eleven stores behind Japan? So I didn't realize that until I kind of did a little research to figure it out. There's over 14,500 7-Elevens throughout Thailand. A little fun fact for you. All right, being that I'm having something spicy to eat, it's always good also to have something sweet as well. So I'm gonna try one of these desserts first, which is called the butter bun. Look at that. What in the world? Look at that, guys. This is a butter bun. And it looks like it has a butter slathered all over this bun. It is butter. Look at this, guys. Oh, could be kind of messy. This is such a soft bun. It is so fluffy. Here it is, butter bun. Let's try this. Look, the cream. That's the buttercream inside there. And the butter on the outside adds the butter flavor to it. So it's really decadent and creamy. This is a really decadent dessert. Yeah, you gotta try this. Okay, moving on to one of our final items here. We're gonna try the Pad Krapao, the 7-Eleven version. All right. All right. Ooh, I can see the chili already. Looks spicy. Also, we have the rice. There it is. So, here you go, guys. All right. This is the Pad Krapao pork, Pad Krapao mu, and we'll put it on top of some of the rice, like so. All right, let's give it a go. That's really good. Wow. Anything like TV dinners or like pre-made packaged dinners, you don't think the flavor is gonna be as good, but this one here, good quality. It's really good. I enjoy it. And if you're looking for a late night meal or snack and you want pad kapow, go to 7-Eleven. Right here. Rice is really soft, fluffy. Really, the pad kapow meat, the moo, packs a punch, so it's a lot of good flavor coming out of this. So, wow. All right, guys, this is a fun dessert right here. They actually have brownies with kind of like a pudding or like a dip. Yeah, it's a brownie dip. So let's go ahead and try this. Oh, look at that, guys. That looks like a pudding dip. And what you do is actually, you remove the top part and the brownies are underneath. Look at that, ta-da! Secret brownies. And what I discovered is they have this little fork right underneath it. There you go. So let me show you how this works. Take the little fork, take some of the brownie out of this, and you dip it in the chocolate brownie dip. Like that. Wow, that is so good. Chocolate brownie, just a good standalone chocolate brownie, but adding that kind of whipped topping on top with chocolate flavor, and it helps to make it more creamy, because the chocolate brownies, of course, can be sometimes dry because it sits there for a while. But here, adding it with a dip, you're getting that double dose of chocolate right here. That could be one of my new favorite desserts here at 7-Eleven, Thailand. I love chocolate brownies, but wow, that's a great idea. All right, guys, the final item, Euro cakes. And I've seen these everywhere in grocery stores, Big C, convenience stores, and I've yet to try this. So, perfect time for us to show you guys Euro cakes here at 7-Eleven. And as you saw earlier, they had like 5 different flavors. There you go. Individually wrapped cakes. All right, let's take a look and see what it looks like inside. There it is, the custard. All right, let's try the Euro cake. That's a really fluffy cake. To me, it tastes like a pound cake. So in the United States, we have a cake called pound cake. It's a very light and fluffy cake, a little sweet, like a little buttery. That's what it reminds me of. Custard, very light flavor too. I'll tell you what, if you have a little craving for something sweet, here you go. Okay, that is going to be our episode here at the largest 7-Eleven here in Bangkok. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was a lot of fun trying all the new different foods we had. Also, of course, some of the familiar ones such as the toasties. And if you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, guys, I appreciate your support. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you back in this video. Bye-bye.